I just finished up my full 3D printer closet makeover, and it went from this to this. And as nice as my new setup looks, I'm actually more interested in the waste collection solution that I came up with. If you notice, I have no trash can anywhere in sight, so where do I put all of my skirts and printer poop? Well, I put it here, in this simple container that fits right between the floating table and the wall. I designed it this way so that it's hidden and out of sight, but still easily accessible and easy to empty out when it gets full. If you want to see the full closet makeover, be sure to click the related video down below. And I'm so happy that